Hi friends, in this video we're learning how to shut down hanged laptop with keyboard. There is a method that you can simply use hanged laptops by pressing your power button up to 7 seconds. Okay, just hold your power button 7 seconds to 10 seconds, then your laptop will be closed. Then after 1 minute or 30 seconds, touch the power button again to restart your laptop. Some laptop automatically restart and some laptop cannot be, so you can simply press the power button after turn off all kind of lights in your laptops. And this method is also working in all kind of Windows PCs also. Simply press and hold your power button available in your cabinet or your laptop keyboard. Just press and hold that power button 7 to 10 seconds, then your laptop will be shut down. So that's a keyboard method to turn off a hanged laptops. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, my share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.